Okay, as you can see here, I finally got the door, copper mesh, you can see stapled all the way. Now here's the test. Now it does have to be, it's still blinking at the lowest point, and the other tri-field meter is at peaking at .002. Then it goes down, back up. But that simply leaks. I'm not done with this, and it's not structurally sound yet. I have these they're narrow hinge removable pins, and you can see that with this it is a lot better than it was, and you can see it's on electric now, and it is reading 0, and that's because of the grounding. Turn off that sound, but you can see the inside of it. I still got tools and stuff on the top I gotta clean up, but this is basically done, except what I want to do is put down wood. This mat is perfect to work on. It was only like 30 bucks at Home Depot, and since I'm putting the air mattress in there, I want to put layers of wood down first. I'm going to use the pine wood, which another guy from YouTube suggested, and put layers of that down, then this mat, which is a PVC rubber, and then the air mattress. And I gotta put a lock on this, but I wanted to show you. There it is.